To double your crypto has been our goal through this whole video series. And as a review of what we've done so far, we've actually got about 6 videos. The first video was a welcome video. The second video was an explanation of why we need LeadsLeap and how to sign up, and an encouragement to you to join as a paid member because there are so many benefits. And it's actually way easier to set up the system as a paid member. The next 2 videos were for the free members, for those people who don't want at the moment to be a paid member for whatever reason. That won't hold you back from doing this system. The first video of that 2 video series is how to set up the 3 pages that you absolutely need to promote the Double Your Crypto system to your prospective customers. And the second video of those 2 videos was about how to link it all together so that when a prospective member signs up to your pages, they're getting taken through the sequence in the correct manner. So that's for free members. The last 2 videos are for paid members, and setting up the paid system is way, way easier than setting up the free system. It's so easy, it's almost ridiculously stupid, simple. And the first video of that was how to set up the funnel. And the second video in that 2 video series was about how to set up your email series. Now, one of the drawbacks, if you want to call it a drawback, of being a free member is that you're only allowed to set up a welcome email. And we haven't really gone over that, but it's exactly the same process as if you are a paid member. So if you watch video number 6, and there's a link to all of these videos in the description below, there's a link to the original Double Your Crypto presentation, and there's also a link to this written text on the Google Doc of how to set up, and all the videos follow this. So one of the drawbacks is that you can only put in a welcome message to your subscribers. So what you might want to do is to use an external autoresponder. And if you go right to the end of this document, and I'll just scroll down through the 18 pages, 50% of this is for paid members, and then the other half is for free members. If you scroll right down to the very end of this document, you'll see it says here, your own responder. So this is for people this is for free members especially. And paid members might want to use this because they don't want to use the LeadsLeap autoresponder for whatever reason. So we have created the series of 7 emails as a separate document. And if you click on this link here, and then it'll open up another little window, and click on this link here, it will take you to this document, which is a copy of the 7 emails. So there's a welcome email, which is here, with links to Infinity Traffic Boost, which you can swap out for your affiliate link here. And then there's an action step at the end of each day. And then don't forget to put your name here because the email is coming from you. Okay, so the ones in red you have to swap out. The blue links you should put in your affiliate link, which is in the back office of Infinity Traffic Boost in the affiliate section. Then there's day 1. And you can edit this as you want. You don't have to use this format. You can change it completely. You can change it 100% if you want. Just make sure that everything you write is factual and true, and it's not misleading in any way, and that you don't make any false claims like, earn $1 million by tomorrow. Stay away from all of that BS. Just be very factual, be very honest. And you can double your crypto. Some people can do it in 1 day. Some people can do it in 1 year. It's really up to you how fast you go and your work experience and everything that you're willing to put in. And the more you become part of the team and become involved, the quicker you will learn and understand how the whole ITB system works. And Clinton, who's one of the co-founders of ITB, says all the time, once you understand how this all works, you won't be able to sleep. And it's true. This has massive earning capability if you work the system, but most people don't. And I think that's true in every part of life anyway. So maybe you'll be the one that does work the system, and you'll be doubling your crypto, and you'll have this great team underneath you, and you'll be creating a tsunami of passive crypto income, which is what we want. So there's a whole series here of emails. Just read through them, copy and put them into your own autoresponder if you want. Don't forget, if you do have an autoresponder, you'll need to swap out on the first page and add into your LeadsLeap pages an opt-in box. And if you get stuck with that and you need technical help, you could actually reach out to us at ITB, and we might be able to do a done-for-you service for that, where we do that for you. But no guarantees, but it's out there. So, if you really get stuck and you really want us to help you out, we can possibly work with you. There might be a small charge for that, but it'll be a small charge. It won't be a huge charge. Anyway, so there's all the videos. There's all the emails, sorry. Seven emails in total. So that if you are a free member, or even if you are a paid member and you want to use your own autoresponder, you absolutely can. Don't let anything hold you back. Be part of the team as much as you possibly can. Why don't you leave a message beneath this video right now, or all the other messages, all the other videos? Leave a message and say that you're committed and what you learned in each of the videos. And let's help you double your crypto, because that's the whole idea. Let's build a massive team. And as you grow, your team will grow. As you earn crypto, they'll earn crypto, and everyone will be happy. Because I believe, and this is based on my own technical analysis, is that we might be at the end of nearing the end of the bear market, and we might be starting a bull run soon, which would be fantastic if we're all accumulating Bitcoin in ITB. So welcome to the Double Your Crypto series, and let's help you double your crypto.